This video is brought to you today by Ghost Tags. This is my own company that I started because I wanted a glow-in-the-dark AirTag case. These things are awesome. You can stick them on your backpack, on your dog's collar, and you will be able to find it at night. We've got two colors, blue and green. They've got great reviews. Go check them out. Links to them down below. Now on to the video. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimothy TV. In this video, I want to do a quick unboxing of a brand new GoPro that I just bought. This is my first ever action camera. I bought an Insta360, but that doesn't really count. This is a true action camera, the GoPro HERO11 Black Edition. So let's go ahead, unbox it, and see what we've got inside. Now this is some pretty interesting packaging that GoPro has here. On the bottom here, they have the serial number and everything, so I'm not going to show that. But let's go ahead, crack through some of this paper and see what we've got under it. So we'll just slice right through here. I don't want to ruin it too bad because it looks kind of cool. There we go. And here it is, the GoPro HERO11 Black Edition. This looks really cool. Let's make sure nothing else in the box here. Set that to the side. And here it is. I know GoPros are kind of expensive for what they are, but man, they really do it right with the packaging here. 27 megapixels, 5.3K at 60 frames per second right there. That's crazy. Waterproof up to 33 feet. Slow-mo. This is going to be pretty fun. Automatically uploads to the cloud. I did that little, I don't know, it feels kind of scammy where they give you this entire package plus 1 year of their cloud storage for like 350 bucks instead of paying 550 just for this. It's really weird, but I went ahead and did that and I canceled the yearly thing right away. So I've got it for a year, but it's not going to auto renew. That's the way to do it. So how do you even open this thing? Oh, okay. There's a pull tab here at the bottom to rip it open. I'll do that without showing anything. I'm just going to slide it out. Nothing too exciting there. All right, here we go, guys. This is the hard shell that it comes in. Kind of feels rugged. It's kind of fitting, I guess, for this. And here we are. We have the charging cable here, USB-A to USB-C, so I'm not mad about that. That's fine. We also have the camera right here, all covered up in plastic and paper. So we'll set that to the side. We also have the Enduro battery, which is nice to see. The Enduro batteries are supposedly a lot better than the blue ones, so we'll give it a shot. I have a couple of replacements coming as well. That'll be here tomorrow. Here we have, what is this? I don't know, some sort of mount piece as well as this here. So we can set that back in here because I'm probably not going to use it. Nothing else under there. And here is the paperwork. So you got to have the app, some cold weather performance, and another booklet. So that's all you get in the package here. Not too much, which I like. That is the GoPro HERO11 Black Edition. Man, I love the color scheme here. The blue and the black, it just looks so good. Two screens on this one. Let's see, does it, I don't think it comes with an extra battery. How do you open this? Oh, okay, so you pull that piece. There is the battery compartment. I guess I could boot it up and just see how much is in there. What is this? I also bought a 512 gigabyte SSD, so yeah, might be overkill for what I'm using this for, but it is what it is. Let's see if it powers up here. Do we have any juice? Yes, we do. Oh my gosh, I think I put it into quick record mode. Whoops. Yes, I did. I put it into quick film mode. But let's go ahead and do this. Agree. GPS. Yep. For what I'm going to do, I'm going to need that. Now I'm going to have to follow the instructions here with the app. So it looks like there's no light mode here, unfortunately, but let's go ahead, connect to GoPro and allow. And there it is. We'll connect it. Pairing up. All right, so I just named it. There's an update here. Now, hopefully this thing has enough battery because, oh God, it's low battery. Hopefully it has enough for this update. That's one thing that you want to make sure of. You want to make sure that you have enough battery while you are doing this. So let's join it and we'll see what happens. I'll take the risk. It is what it is. All right, so here are the release notes. I like that it actually gives those. We'll update, accept. Aha, there we go. So you have to have the SD card in and you have to check the battery level, make sure it's higher. So we'll do that later. Not a big deal at all. Looks like you can even connect it to Wi-Fi for it to automatically update, but we'll do that later. That's not a big deal. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys this camera. It looks really cool. I know there's a few things that people normally do. They orientation lock it. They also, I think, yeah, let's accept English, but we're going to turn that off. What's this? The beeps, and this is quick capture. Honestly, I don't know if I want that on or off. We'll leave it like this for now, but there we go. I'm probably going to change it into pro mode here soon, but I just want to give you a quick overview of the menu. Looks like I can't do much without that SD card, so let's go ahead and switch this. All right, so let's put it in the linear mode, and there we go. This thing is so tiny. It is ridiculous how small this thing is. I really do like it. I'm gonna power it off here. Okay, well, that's not the power button. It's on the side here, so let's power it off. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna go charge this thing up, and we will give it a run for its money. It looks really cool. It should be able to film some pretty good video. I'm hoping to take it on a couple of flights and film those, so we'll see. Maybe I'll put them on the channel someday, maybe I won't. We'll just see how they turn out. Looks like we got little mounting brackets down here with some microphones. I think it also comes with a lens protector, maybe? I don't know, I'm not gonna pull on that too much. That is the HERO11 Black Edition with a little bit of setup for you. I'll try to give you guys an update on this in the future, you know, how it holds up, how the videos are. Maybe I'll put some samples up on the channel, who knows? But stay tuned. If you wanna see more about this, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. That's all I got. If you like the video, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe. I'll drop a link down below where you guys could purchase one of these if you wanted. But that's all I got for this one. If you liked it, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.